Welcome to the Ashivad review channel. On this channel, I'll review the latest digital products that are efficient and effective to grow your business. Today, I've taken the time to review Dropshiply, to give you the pros and cons regarding it, and especially on how to use it. Hopefully you'll find this review informative, helpful, and refreshing as you make the decision to buy this product offering today. An investment that will take your business to the next level of potential growth. Before I start, I'd like to just advise you how we're going to go through in terms of this review. So what I'll do right now, I'm going to give you a quick explanation of what Dropshiply is about. And then from there, I will take you through to my bonuses, so you at least know what the bonuses I have in store for you should you make the purchase. And then obviously we'll rush through straight to the app or the platform where Dropshiply, where everything happens regarding Dropshiply. All right, and obviously I'll also just show you what to expect in terms of the vendors sales page. When you do click onto my link, which is this one, it'll take you straight to the vendors page. Please also remember that this link is listed across the website, so across the specific page. The other links, the other pages, I have other links on it. So obviously, specifically with the Dropshiply, this link will take you straight to their page. So I'm sure you're wondering, what is Dropshiply and what it's about. All right, Dropshiply is a platform that allows you to build profitable stores as well as collecting payments anywhere in the world. Dropshiply is a complete, full-blown e-commerce platform that will give you a complete dropshipping store in minutes. Dropshiply does all the hard work for you. Thus far, it has generated over $2.6 million in sales for its members, and it is growing quite steadily or quite fast right now, because there's a lot of people are taking on or using Dropshiply to grow their online businesses. Right, so I'd encourage you to obviously read everything that I've written out regarding it, so at least you can get some kind of clue, a bit more information of what to expect when you utilize Dropshiply. But yeah, I've tried to give you as much information as possible so you can see what to expect from the product. Okay, so just be aware, if you do click onto this link, it'll take you through to the vendors sales page, which looks like this. As you're aware, the sale is happening on the 8th of July. So once the launch happens, this will obviously open up and take you straight to the sales page, where you'll be able to submit or purchase, or actually even read more information regarding what the vendor has put in store for you. Right, going back to my page, right at the bottom, we will check out the package and pricing for that, but I just wanted to tell you what the bonuses that you're going to be getting. One of the bonuses that you'll be getting is 1 million niche products, and that's valued at $97. It's literally saying, as you're aware with Dropshiply, it does help you with it's actually a new feature that they've inserted with looking for niche products for you to sell, and new hot trending ones. But I've also added a list with 1 million niche products that have generated millions of dollars for the people and the business owners who've used or sold a specific products there. But again, this is one of the opportunities you can see what kind of products you can use to add to your specific store. Bonus number 2 is 400 plus Shopify niches. So obviously, if you're utilizing Shopify, it's able to give you more information on the niches for the different products that you'll sell, or for your business if your business falls within one of the niches that's stated there. So you actually get some more information regarding that, and that's valued at $47. Then the last one is the t-shirt confessions. It's literally a full thorough explanation of how to sell t-shirts or print on demand, everything that you need to know about that industry, what are the pros and cons, what to look out for, and what to do to make sure that you actually thrive in that specific industry. So those are the 3 bonuses that I have added as part of my bonus, or once you've purchased this, part of the bonuses that you will get. Please be aware, all bonuses will be added to your account upon purchasing. All right. And then obviously going through, before I rush through to the pricing, please be aware there is a tutorial video or demo video that you can watch. It's actually got 33 minutes and 56 seconds. So if you've got a bit of time, play it. I would encourage you to do that, so at least you know what's happening. The vendors put a video together so he can show you how to navigate and work within Dropshiply. All right, and in terms of the pricing packages you're going to get from that, I've placed them in such a way so you can see what kind of OTOs that are there. But there is, the first OTO is valued at $47. Excuse me. And it's a click automation triggers, which just automates a lot of business tasks into one single click. You'll see on the hosting side, sorry, there is a place where you're able to click to do these quick sites that you can build within a couple of seconds and in minutes to put together. Then there's SEO Analyzer and Optimizer, also valued at $47, which simply optimizes your store for higher traffic and skyrockets your rankings to the first page of Google in seconds. I think that's self-explanatory, so you can understand that it assists you in for organic traffic and setting you up well with your SEO, as well as optimizing your page and website. Then in terms of OTO3, that's a store creation suites, which has a starter valued at $2.99, or an advanced, which is valued at $4.99, or a premium, which is valued at $6.99. This is a store creation service, all right, where the team from Dropshiply will build a done-for-you e-com store from complete scratch, 100% ready for orders. Okay, so they'll do everything for you in the event you wish, excuse me, to take this OTO3. Excuse me. So OTO4, that is the sales report analytics, and that is a $37 on a monthly basis. It literally gives you all types of insights to report on the products as well as on your store. What's happening within your store, what's happening within your products, where you can actually increase in terms of advertising, or where you can remove certain products in terms of if they're not performing, or which products you can actually add, etc. So all this information is just going to obviously assist you in your sales reports and analytics per month. All right, and then the fifth OTO5, which is Droply product imports. Excuse me. There's a light valued at $29. There's a pro, which is at $49. Then there's gold, which is at $99. And then there's elite, which is at $149. This is a secret database with all the hottest products on the market already researched by the team. Just deploy to their store and grow their income fast. So technically, you'll just go take the products and put in your store, and you'll increase your income. Just be aware, I assume that when it comes to the Light Pro, it will be limited in terms of how many products that they'll expose you to per day, or per a certain period that they would have marked. All right. So as I said, this is what to expect in the event you wish to purchase there. You can click on this link, it'll go straight to this page, and then obviously from there you are able to purchase there. But as I said, right now it's still to launch, so just be aware of it when it does launch. Excuse me. Going on to the website for Dropshiply. This is the main page that is there. Actually, no. This is the dashboard under hosting. So we just want to go to the dashboard anytime today. Okay, I haven't linked my website or my online store yet, but you're able to link it with WordPress and also WooCommerce. I think also with Shopify as well. Excuse me. I said you're able to link it, and once you've linked it in, it will start assisting with other aspects. Obviously, if you want to get ready messages, you can create there, but you're able to import your products from your store through this. And then obviously getting started checklist to explain what's happening there. There's also video tutorials where you can learn a bit more on how to use it and what to expect and what to do through Dropshiply. And obviously products that you're able to click or that you put them. And then there's orders in the event that you have sold anything. Sales report and WordPress there. So I said you saw that other one is OTO5, which is the winning products. This is one of those that you can use where you can import ready-made products, store manager, advanced settings, automation triggers. Again, this is when you build a quick store. Sales console analyzer, sales analysis report, store creation, Dropshiply tutorials. And then in terms of that, you're also able to get a domain name search. They assist you in finding domains in the event you don't have a specific domain or you're still actually building your store. And they'll do the hosting and also niche product spy tool. I just want to quickly click here. Your product, you can also import your product as well as import a list. Okay, we've gone through that specific part there. But in terms of the niche product spy tool, these are the aspects that you can use under AliExpress, under eBay. Well, you'll put that information there. Walmart or Alexa, sorry, Walmart, and also click where you want to check, and then FB and then YouTube as well. But generally, within these ones, you'll click which products it is that you want to obviously pull through onto your website. So that assists you in checking for different products there. Then there's applications, and that's under Start Here. Okay, it was under the niche, sorry. And then in terms of Start Here, which is at the top panel there, you can watch tutorials, domain name search, etc. in terms of finding there. Again, it's based on what it is that you're looking for, but yeah, you can do the hosting and setting up your WordPress, installing WooCommerce under Start Here. There's also application. Again, that's research, which is what we were looking at right now. And you can also manage your store from this side as well as get reports, again based on which OTO or product offering you have taken. And then obviously settings covers order settings, dropshipping settings, billing account settings, and support. And obviously if you wish to ask for a request, they can assist you on that. Okay, I hope I've explained as much. We didn't go too in depth in terms of doing a whole store setup, etc. But at least you'll be able to see what to expect when you do purchase Dropshiply and how the whole setup is done and how you can use it to assist you in growing your online store. All right. So that's the end of this review on this product. It was a pleasure explaining the true benefits of this exceptional product. I hope I've given you a thorough breakdown as to what to expect from this product, as well as showing you how to navigate it as a beginner. There is definitely something for everyone with this product. Hopefully my review has helped you to make a decision on this product and if it is the perfect fit for your business, an investment decision that is best for your business to grow its potential. Please don't forget to like and comment to let me know if you enjoyed this review and anything else you would want to know regarding the review. Remember to click on the link available below in my description so head over to my site to get yourself this product today. Thank you again and see you soon with a new review from Ash on the Ashivard Review channel. Bye for now.